Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Mark, and today I'm going to go over this set of layered trucks with you. This is going to be a pretty short video because there's really not a lot to say because they are so easy. There's technically 6 different files here. Actually, there's one of them that has 2 different versions, so let's just look through them real quick. I'll give you a couple tips, and we'll let you get out of here and go make some. All right, so here's the first one. It's called simply the cement truck, and this is the only one that has score lines and cut lines. Now, before I look at those lines, let me really quick point out that all of these have a colored version up here above that just shows you how it looks or it can look when you put it together. Please go ahead and delete these colored versions up above before you upload it to your laser program. That'll just make it a lot easier on you. But you do have these for visual reference. And then, of course, you also have the video, the other overview video, and the photos in the listing as well. All right, so it says red lines are score, black lines are cut. Just make sure you score these red lines and, surprise, surprise, cut the black lines. Goes together really easily. You can also see how the pieces go together in the other project overview. So this is the cement truck. Next one is the dump truck. Very easy. There's only just a couple pieces here. What is that? 6 pieces. Very easy. Paint it whatever color you want. On a lot of these, they've got parts like the window or these cutouts in the truck part itself. You can choose to leave out the pieces that were cut out of there, or you can paint them and put them back in. Both of them have good looks to them. Some have more dimensional look than others, so you can choose whether you want to just discard those inner pieces or paint them and put them back in. That is up to you. Fire truck has the most pieces of all of them, but it's not difficult to put together, especially when you've got this picture to use as reference. Once again, these pieces here and the windows, you can discard those pieces or you can paint them, put them back in, whatever look you are going for. The pieces that come out of the ladder section do not go back in because the intent is to see through that section. This one's a lot of fun. Then this is the one that has 2 versions. It has the version that has the loader up, and then there's one that has the loader down near the ground. And so there's the down version here and the up version there. They're very similar. You can choose to make both of them or just one of them. It doesn't matter. Again, same thing with the interior of the windows. You can leave them out or you can put them in, whichever you prefer. Sorry, I should have mentioned this earlier. All of these have a silhouette piece as the background that then all of the other pieces stack on top. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward as well. And then the last one is the tractor. Of course, it has the silhouette piece there as well, and all the pieces stack on top. Once again, finally, you can use the interior of the windows or you can leave them out, whichever you prefer. All of these are so easy to paint because all you're going to do is say, okay, I want black tires. So you put these over here, you spray paint those, you spray paint everything different colors. Super easy. You don't have to worry about masking anything off, and then you can stack them together after they're painted. Makes it super easy. Did I say super about 100 times? I think I did. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with these. 2 last things. Number 1, you can make all of these with just an 11 by 19 piece of material. They all fit. That's what this workspace is. Or you can make them as large as your laser will allow, which would also be a lot of fun to put up on a kid's wall or something, really big truck. Whatever you guys want. Have fun with these. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to see what you guys make with them.